Hi friends, here we are given a cubic equation. X cube plus 4x plus 1 equals 0 and alpha, beta, gamma are roots of this equation. Then what is this value? Alpha plus beta whole power minus 1, that is 1 by alpha plus beta, 1 by beta plus gamma plus 1 by gamma plus alpha. What is this equal to? Okay, when we have a cubic equation, we know sum of the roots and product of the roots also. Right, for example, we have ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a cubic equation. Then the roots are alpha, beta, gamma. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Sum of the roots is minus b by a. Minus b by a. Minus b plus a. Similarly, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is this equal to? This is equal to this c by this a. This is c by a. Please notice this is minus. When you are taking 1 at a time, it is minus. When you are taking 2 at a time, it is plus c by a. Similarly, when you are taking 3 at a time, alpha, beta, gamma, product of all three, product of the roots, it should be equal to minus d by a. Okay. For if you are taking 1 at a time, it is minus, 2 at a time, it is plus, 3 at a time, it is minus. Similarly, you can apply this for any type of equation, whether x power 4, x power 5, x power 6, etc. Okay, we'll take 1 at a time, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, 4 at a time, 5 at a time, etc. etc. When we have three roots, 3 at a time, there is only one term, right? Alpha, beta, gamma, there is only one term. 2 at a time, we have three terms. 1 at a time, we have three terms, right, guys? Okay, now 1 by alpha plus beta plus 1 by beta plus gamma, 1 by gamma plus delta. Okay, let's try to rewrite this one in terms of alpha plus beta plus gamma or alpha beta beta gamma like this, like using this or this, so that we know all of this, right? We know alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. What is minus b? B is 0, so this should be 0. Sum of the roots is 0. Alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha, what is that? That is c by a, that is 4 by 1, that is 4. Okay, this is minus d by a, alpha beta gamma, that is minus 1 here. Okay, we know these three ones. Let us try to express this in terms of these three. Okay, like this. Okay, so we know alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is equal to 1. What does that mean? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus gamma, or beta plus gamma is equal to minus alpha, gamma plus alpha equal to minus minus beta. So what essentially means is this is equal to minus gamma, this is minus alpha, this is minus beta. Right? That is what we have written. Minus gamma, minus alpha, minus beta, whole power minus 1. What is this? This is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma whole minus of this, right? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma, whole of this. What is this? This is equal to beta gamma plus alpha beta by alpha beta gamma whole minus. Okay. We also know the product 2 at a time, alpha beta beta gamma alpha gamma. Okay, the product of 2 at a time, alpha beta beta gamma, that is c by a, which is equal to 4. Which is what we have written here also. This is equal to 4. So this numerator is 4. So we have minus of, this is 4, and alpha beta gamma. What is that? Alpha beta gamma. Product of that is minus 1, which we have already decided. So minus 4 by minus 1, which is equal to 4 minus of this one. Please note here that this is actually minus 4 by 1 or 4 by minus 1. It doesn't matter, both are same. Okay, so the final answer is 4. Very simple. We just need to know what is sum of roots, product of the roots for a cubic equation.